Hello, my name is Didier and I'm excited to welcome you to my new channel all about optimizing every part of life so you can experience the best version of what you truly deserve. Ever since I can remember, I've been on a journey to improve myself, my habits, my environment, my comfort and my life as a whole. But let me be clear, this channel is about optimization, not perfection. That means we'll explore how to escape from the system and become the best possible version of ourselves in every area, from happiness and health to relationships, finances and more. But we're not aiming to become the best overall. Feel the difference? I'll show you techniques to optimize the cards you already have and how to earn new ones. Perfection isn't human. Man is imperfect by nature. So chasing perfection is pointless and very often frustrating because no one will ever reach it. Optimization, on the other hand, is about getting the best possible outcome from the hands you've been dealt. I often use this example. The average person in the streets, socially integrated, with a roof over their head, clean sheets to sleep in, and enough food to survive, and family or friends to take care of them, often feels disgust or judgment when they see a tramp or someone on the margins of society. But appearances can be deceiving. That man begging on the street, standing on his 2 feet, looking you in the eyes, using his voice to ask for help, he might be a miracle in front of you. Maybe he should have died 100 times over, but his strength and tenacity kept him going. What you see might be the result of sheer resilience. Maybe only his willpower, faith and grit are what keep him alive and standing before you. Why? Because he optimized the cards he was given at birth and through life. I've done the same. Sure, I was given far better cards than he was, but the result is the same. I made the most of what I had. And because of that, I can be proud of who I am today. Sadly, I know someone who was given exactly the same cards as I was, and yet his life is now a mess. Why? Because he accepted everything as fate, unchangeable, and never even tried to shift it. And even though he received many helping hands, he always found a lot of excuses not to take them. He didn't change himself either, to stop attracting the same patterns again and again. Because yes, the truth is, we attract what we are, in all areas of life. No exceptions. I'll tell you more about this bloke in a future video. Well, that's enough for today. Don't miss the next video where I introduce myself and talk about the topics I'll be covering here on this very channel, Optimise channel. I also explain the spelling I chose and why it's Optimise with a U diaresis and a Y. Now, if you're excited about what you can do with your life, do subscribe and please like the video, leave a comment and share it with anyone who needs it. As I told you, this channel is starting from scratch. Only you can help it grow. Your support and your interactions are absolutely crucial. I thank you so very much for that. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.